Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary water for hair growth. Rosemary, a fragrant herb, is not only known for its culinary purposes, but also for encouraging faster hair growth. It is known to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and bring nourishment to the hair follicles. Rosemary is also known to fight dandruff, reduces inflammation of the scalp, prevents hair fall, and boosts hair growth. To make rosemary water for hair growth, start by adding 1 tablespoon of green or dried rosemary to a glass bottle. We will also add a tablespoon of cloves to make it even more powerful. This scalp and hair spray will be the best you've ever used. Cloves contains eugenol and is packed with antioxidants. It also increases blood flow to the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles. After using cloves, you will notice that your hair looks glossier and shiny. Add 2 cups of water to the glass jar and close it tightly. Place it in a cool, dark area in your home for at least 24 hours. The next day, your rosemary water will take on a rich golden brown color. To use rosemary water spray for your hair growth, simply spritz it onto your scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week. Massage it in and work your way from roots to ends. Have fun with your rosemary water. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next upcoming videos. Have a blessed day.